Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 15 Property Management Service in Laravel 10. This my official channel is a www.errorsolution.com. Please subscribe this my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jam server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this series already 14 video already uploaded. This property management service already localhost PSP my admin already run. This database name is a property, and this my project is a gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder inside this available property. This my project. In this already my Sublime text editor open, and this localhost PSP, this localhost property is open. This run already login screen. Let's click this user table and this admin@gmail.com and this login and click this. Successfully login. Let's click this AMC list and the database name is a check. This database name is .env file, and this database name is a property. Let's AMC open. Let's copy this URL. Let's click this for ID inside this only one record inside this available. This new action menu is a add, action 2 button is a add. Let's copy this URL and web.php file open. Web.php file open. Inside this copy this name, AMC free service, AMC controller open, app http controller, AMC controller. Let's find this function. This function is available. Let's open this admin AMC folder, admin view, admin AMC. Inside this available free service list. This file is open. Inside this new add this action and save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully action is add. Let's add this new td. This add AMC list open. The same is a copy and paste here. This only name change. Edit free AMC. This view only ID pass and delete free service. Successfully save file and refresh this page, and this available 2 button is a set. This edit and delete. Let's click this delete. Are you sure want to delete? Okay, and successfully available this delete. This route is not available. Next is edit, and this available AMC edit this ID 3. Successfully 3 ID is get. Let's click this edit and this URL copy. Same URL inside this available. Let's copy this URL and web.php open, route get ID pass. This ID pass AMC controller class, and this function create edit free service. Save file. This edit service save file. Successfully save file. Let's new add. This function is add. This AMC edit service. Let's copy this and this AMC controller inside this new function create public function and save $ID. In this return view admin dot AMC dot free service edit and save file. Let's copy this name inside this new file create. File name is a blade.php. Successful create. Pre-service edit successfully create. Let's copy this folder is a copy, this file is a copy, and paste here. Successfully paste in this step by step. Name is a sense. First of all, pre-service, this is a edit, and this edit. Successfully save. And next is this name is a sense, this edit pre-service. Successfully set. Let's get record. The same is a get record is a copy this variable, and this paste here $data get record. Same is a copy, this already copied, this copy, and paste here is equal to this paste. This same is a paste, not a different sense. Pre-service get single, this not available. Let's get record. This copy this name pre AMC service single record. Let's open this model AMC pre-service. Inside this not available. Let's create this new function. Inside this already create this copy, and same is a paste. This copy this name and paste here. Save file. This successfully set, and this copy this data pass. This data is a pass. Let's refresh this page. Successfully edit pre-service. Let's successfully find this. This AMC model already available. This model AMC pre-service table. This table. This 3 record is a edit. This 3 record is a edit. Let's welcome 3655. Let's welcome. This welcome name is a edit value is a show this 3 number. Let's edit file is open. Inside this old record is a get. Copy this name in dollar name, save. Let's all record is a welcome is a show. Successfully welcome is a show. This welcome. Next is a 36, and 36 is a add this old record. All record list limit is a select. Dollar get record limit is equal to $I select selected save file. Successfully refresh this page, and this available. Let's refresh this page, not a refresh this page. This limits sorry, this limits. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully 36 is a show. Good working this record. 55 price is a set. Same is a copy this variable inside this dollar price. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is all set. Let's back button, click this. Let's 3 record is a add free service. Inside this one edit this good 378. Let's edit this one record available. This good 378. This 3 is selected. Let's back button, click this. Let's 2 inside this 3 available. Let's 2 edit this find 998. This successfully set. Let's again this click. Let's update in database. This update in database copy this URL, copy web.php, route, post id, AMC controller, class, save file, and this update, static public, and this available. New function, create public function, paste here, this remove, and this id already passed, this id already passed, $id request, $request, $update record update is equal to AMC single record id, copy, and this function is already create this model, create, copy, same is a successfully, this same is a copy, and paste only this id name is a set, update record, successfully set this all number, this name, limit, and price. Last is a return, redirect, this already name set, this same is a copy, and paste here, and this update with success free services update successfully, save file. This success message is a success message. Inside this include this success message. This file is a list file, already include this list file. This list file is a underscore message file is a include. This database, click this database, and this find 998, this available, find, name change, this refresh this page, as it is update, not a change, as it is update, not a change. Successfully post method, this 2 number id edit. Let's open this post method, this admin, this copy my missing this admin, pre-edit this admin, successfully save. Let's back button, click this, refresh this page, again this as it is update, successfully as it is update, not a sense, less as it is, this only that sense. Again this update is value, this update, and this find is a remove, inside this $X and update, $X in update, and this database is a successfully update, $X. This update, 9 is update, let's edit, and 9 is update, in this 31 and this 78, this update 31 and 78, and this update 31 78, let's update, this available 78, this all is a 78, let's edit this, and this 780 is a update, successfully update, good working, this good working, this list is a good working. Let's open this AMC model, inside this one record is show, and this refresh this page, successfully pagination is a working fine, this pagination is a good, this one record is a one record, and this 2 record. Pagination is a good working. Less 20 record automatically is a pagination show. Pagination is a good working. Next is a this delete. Let's delete is a next. Let's copy this URL. Admin AMC pre-service delete. Copy this URL dynamic this ID in this get method. Route get ID AMC class this AMC delete pre-service. New function is a create. Let's save file, copy this name, public function, and save $ID request $request and save file. Delete record is equal to the same name is a copy, and same is a variable, again copy this variable, delete. Save file. Return redirect back with error record successfully delete and save file. And this error message already include this underscore message file. Successfully shared this error message. Let's refresh this page, and this delete in this side 2 record is a delete, this 2 number is a delete. Let's refresh this page and delete. Click this delete. Are you sure I want to delete? Yes. Okay. Successfully record is a delete. Let's check this, refresh this page. Successfully this 2 number is a record is a delete. This 134 is available. Let's this 1 is a record delete. Cancel this, not delete. Okay means delete. Successfully this table record is a 3 number is a remove. Only 4 3 only 3 4 and 4 and 1 ID inside this only single record is available. Let's check this 4 inside this only single record is a show, not a multiple record. This single is a record is show. Let's again this add new record, and this record is a add. And submit. Successfully refresh this page, and this available. This previous video is the pagination is already added. Let's edit this welcome. You welcome, and this refresh this page. Inside this you welcome is a update. Let's this not submit. Let's submit. Let's refresh this page. You welcome is a add inside this database. You welcome. This successfully shared, and this edit file is open. Inside this name already available. This previous video, this AMC ID, this name, this limits, and this price. This all record is a shared. This last is a update button name sense. This edit successfully update button name is a sense this update. Otherwise submit button is available. Successfully this writing this old record is a get. Please this AMC add this model inside. Close this, and this 2 function is a create this single model, and this model inside this table is a get AMC free service this model. This model is available in 3 route is a create today. 3 route is a create. Good. This video is done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.